2024 Tesla Cybertruck. After years of delays and numerous setbacks, Tesla is finally getting ready to start delivering the 2024 Cybertruck. While the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck is set to arrive shortly, we still don't have all of truck specs. The 2024 Tesla Cybertruck is expected to have the same outlandish design as the concept that Tesla showcased a few years ago. The Cybertruck has an exterior design that's unlike anything else on sale. The electric truck features an angular design with charred elements, stainless steel body panels, dramatic lighting, flooded fenders, and romantically styled wheels. Tesla Cybertruck has a 6.4-foot bed and has a slide-out tailgate that can be used as a ramp. The few photos that Tesla has put out of the 2024 Cybertruck interior reveal a minimalistic design. The dashboard has a large central touchscreen, while the truck is expected to come with a yoke-style steering wheel. Tesla initial pictures preview a 6-passenger layout, while the truck's triangular roofline should result in a generous amount of headroom. Rear suicide doors should make ingress and egress into the rear seat easy, while a center tunnel that starts from the bed runs through the cabin, allowing the truck to hold items that the area 18 feet long. We expect the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck to come with the automaker's latest safety features. Tesla autopilot system should be standard on the pickup truck, while enhanced autopilot and full self-driving capability should be optional. Enhanced autopilot should include navigation on autopilot, automatic lane change, auto park, summon, and smart summon. Tesla available full self-driving capability package includes auto steer on city streets, as well as traffic light and stop sign control.